Hi my friends, today I like to share with you the wishing card which I made for men who celebrate 70s, and he is fishman. So card is inside the box with that nice basket fish and fishing tool, and inside is something like that. When I open this, here is box with all tools fishermen need. Here is a chair, and here is some man with daughter, because that man who get this card usually going to fishing with his daughter. And here we have pocket with that beautiful image. They can put anything, maybe some photos. And then when I open, ta-da, on the middle, his is fishman with dog, because the men have also dog. And when I turn that, we can write something and maybe slide something in. So it goes like that, inside that strip of beautiful picture, and on the last it's head and I don't know the name of, and here is a fishman with dog, and it's club, and that is for celebration, balloons. Here is again fishing man, and we have pocket here to put something, some voucher or some money. Closure is by magnet, and then we turn this and this, and a little bit help with nail, and card is done. So I hope your comment will be nice. And I really enjoy the person who asked me to make something with envelope where they can put voucher or money. I already have idea, because I know I have few pictures with fishing, and so I did. Thank you very much to visit my channel, and see you on next video. Bye bye guys.